Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. In today's video, we'll study about how to add the decimal numbers. Already you had done in your previous class. So again, just we have to do the addition over here. सो एडिशन के टाइम पे जस्ट याद रखना है कि पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट आना चाहिए और पॉइंट के बाद जो फर्स्ट डिजिट है उसके नीचे पॉइंट के बाद फर्स्ट डिजिट जो है वो ही आना चाहिए. कम ज़्यादा होगा वी विल ऐड द ज़ीरोज़. ओके, सो फर्स्ट विल राइट 0.007 plus what we have to do 8.5. so 8.5 पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट, फर्स्ट डिजिट के नीचे पॉइंट के बाद का फर्स्ट डिजिट. नाउ देर इज नथिंग, सो अगेन प्लस 30.08. सो 30 अगेन पॉइंट, सी पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट. नाउ 0.8. अब यहाँ पे ऐसा लगता है कि समथिंग इज बीइंग मिसिंग देयर. सो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, सो वी कैन ऐड 2 zeros and here we can add the zeros. Now it is full. So now we can add it. 7 plus 0 is 7, 8 plus 0 is 8, 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 0 is 8 and 3 comes as it is. So our answer comes, that is 38.587. If you are going to follow this method, there will be no mistake in writing the numbers and you will get the correct answer. Now if you see second one, it's 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. So how we'll write? We'll write 15 as it is because it is a whole number. Then it is given 0.632. So here we'll write 0.632. Then the next number is 13.8. Now we have to add. So here nothing is being there. So we'll put point and 3 zeros. Here we can add 2 zeros. Now 2 will be written as it is. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 8 it is 14. So 1 will be carry forward here. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 it's 9 and 1 plus 1 it's 2. So our answer comes 29.432. So this is how you have to arrange it in proper order, and then if you will add, there will be no chance of any mistake. Third one, it's 27.076 plus 0.55 plus 0.004. So now how will we arrange? 27.076, 0.55, 0.004. Add it. Here nothing, so we can put the 0 over there. So 6 plus 4, now it becomes 10. 1 as carry forward. 7 plus 5 12 plus 1 it's 13. So again 1. 5 plus 1 it's 6. 27 will be written as it is. Our final answer is 27.630, or if you write 63 it is one and the same. Now fourth one, it's 25.65 plus 9.005 plus 3.7. So again we'll arrange them. 25.65, then 9.005, then 3.7. So now wherever empty place is there, we can add over there 0. Here also if you want, you can add 0, no problem. It will not affect your answer. Now 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 7 it's 13 point. So 1 will be carried forward here. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, and 9 plus 9 it's 18. So 1, 2 plus 1 it is 3. So our final answer comes, that is 38.355. So this is the way how to add, student. पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट प्लेस करोगे, फर्स्ट डिजिट के नीचे सभी फर्स्ट डिजिट, then you will not make a mistake. थोड़ा दूर दूर लिखो, so it will be easy for you to identify that which digit is at which place, और easily आप उसको add भी कर सकते हैं. Now based on addition, word problems are being given in this exercise. So let us do it. The first one is that Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. तो मैथ्स की बुक के लिए 35.75 रुपीज़ और साइंस की बुक के लिए 32.60 रुपीज़ राशिद ने स्पेंड किया. तो टोटल राशिद ने कितना मनी स्पेंड किया, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. So what we can write down? You can write cost of maths book is equal to rupees 35.75. Same way, cost of science book is equal to rupees 32.60, and therefore total amount spent by Rashid is equal to 35.75 plus 32.60. Get the answer in rupees. So you can add it. अभी तो ऐड करना आता है ना. How we will add it? So 35.75 and 32.60 we have to add. So 7 plus 6 is 13, 1, 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So it comes to rupees 68.35. Done. Simple questions are being there of related to addition. Question number 3, if you see, so Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. So what we can write down the statement? Money given by Radhika's mother is equal to rupees 10.50. Money given by her father is equal to rupees 15.80. Therefore total money given by her parent is equal to, what we have to do, 10.50 plus 15.80. You can add it in rough also and you can write down the answer. If I will add, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 5 it's 13, so 3, 1 carry forward, so 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 1 it's 2. So total amount given by her parents is 26.30. This is how you can form a simple statement and you can add. ये तो मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड करके बताया, but as you can do it in rough also and you can write down the answer. बस points और digits place करने में खास ध्यान रखना है. If you will misplace the numbers here and there, then the answer will go wrong. Okay, let us move to the next question. Next question is question number 4, that is Nasrin brought 3.20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. तो यहाँ पे खास ध्यान रखना है, because both are given in meter and centimeter, but one is given as 3 meter 20 centimeter and one is given 2 meter 5 centimeter. Now 5 centimeter will be written as 0.5. So there you have to be very careful. If you will make mistake in that, then the answer will go wrong. So what statement we can write? Question number 4, cloth bought for shirt. शर्ट के लिए कितना लाया, जो 3 मीटर एंड 20 centimeter. Now cloth bought for trouser is equal to 2 meter 5 centimeter. So therefore total length of cloth bought is equal to क्या करेंगे 3 meter 20 centimeter plus 2 meter and 5 centimeter. Now I am showing you how you have to add it. 3 meter 20 centimeter if you will put, then 2 meter and 5 centimeters. If 5 centimeter means it is 0.5. If you are writing here 5, it becomes 2.50 meter. So it will be 5, 2 plus 0 is 2 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So we can write how much cloth she had bought, 5 meter and 25 centimeter. यहाँ पे खास ध्यान रखना है 5 centimeter means it is 0.5 not 50. Now question number 5, that Naresh walked 2 kilometer 30 meter in the morning and 1 kilometer 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Now here also see 1 kilometer and 7 meter is being given, like here it was given 5 centimeter, here it is given meter. So again we have to be careful. So what we can write, that distance covered by walking in the morning is equal to, it's 2 kilometer 35 meter and distance covered by walking in the evening. So that comes to 1 kilometer and 7 meter. So therefore what we will write, therefore total distance covered is equal to, or covered by walking is equal to 2 kilometer 35 meter plus 1 kilometer and 7 meter. अभी इसको इसकी तरह अगर मीटर सेंटीमीटर में जैसे लिखा था वैसे किलोमीटर मीटर में लिखोगे, नहीं तो व्हाट वी कैन राइट 2 किलोमीटर 35 मीटर मीन्स इट इज 2.035. Why 0? Because 35 meter 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter होता है, but here it is 35 means it will be 2.035. Same way 1 kilometer plus 7 meter means 007. Now when we will add it, it will be 7 plus 5 is 12, 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 0 and 3. So our answer comes, that is 3 kilometer and 42 meter. Done? I hope so. Now you had understood. If you will do it in kilometer and meter, then also not a problem, but ये तो चेंज नहीं होगा. This will come in this way only, 035 and 007. Now still word problems are being there, that is 2 word problems on the next page, that is 180. It is being given that Sunita travelled 15 kilometer 268 meter by bus, 7 kilometer 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. How far is her school from her residence? ये हमें find out करना है, means what we have to do, we have to add all 3 of them, but be careful when you will add it. Statement simple, distance covered by bus, distance covered by car and distance covered by foot, and just add it and find out the answer. Question number 7, Ravi purchased 5 kg 400 gram rice, 2 kg 20 gram sugar and 10 kg 850 gram flour. Find the total weight of his purchase. So again you have to do the total. So question number 6 and question number 7 you have to do it by yourself, and the remaining sums of question number 1. So by here we complete exercise 8.5 of decimal chapter. In the next video we'll start with subtraction of decimals. So till then, thank you and take care.